Right, hi guys. Today we have another unboxing of Nano X series filter by K&F Concept. Okay, so this is a Nano X ND2-400 64 variable 67mm. Okay, this 2 years free warranty. Okay, so let's get straight into it. Not gonna dwell too much on the let me just see if I can get my okay, so I don't have anything fancy to open these with. Let me take that off. Push. No. Push this way. No, it's magnetic. Sorry, guys. Okay. Good packaging. Oh, wow. Comes with a nice case. That's always appreciated. What else do we have here? Gonna take it off for a second, like fixed ND series, variable ND series, and ND plus C PL series. Okay. No one sees the world the same, and we choose unique perception of yours. Okay. It's a nice box. Nice packaging. Oh. Okay, so to take it out, you pull this one out. Okay. It's a heavy filter. There we go. Blimey, you can't actually see anything through here. Let's use the much better. Okay, ND2, ND400, let's go to ND400, okay. ND2, then darker. Variable 67. Oh, so it does the arrow here. Okay, that's the ND400. It becomes lighter. That's the ND2. Okay, let's see how it fits on my adapter for my phone. By JGC. Okay, that's on. Looks like a charm. Okay, what we're gonna do now, I'll take my camera off my camera mouth and I'll put the filter on. Let's see how we're seeing things now. Okay, that's on now. Okay, I'm just using the ND filter now. That's ND400. Actually works quite nice, doesn't it? Okay. So yeah, that's an ND filter by K&F Concept. Looks a bit better with the filter now, doesn't it? You can tell. Let me take the filter off so you can see the difference. It's a bit difficult to take it off, guys. Sorry. Oh. That's weird. Yeah. Much better with the filter. It's not a gimmick, guys. It's actually better with the filter. I'll take the filter off again. Bear in mind that predominantly that's for any reflections, lights, etc. So if you get a polarized version, so okay. So again, take the K&F Concept Filter and sorry guys, I forgot to add the case that came with the filter. It's actually quite nice. The money is good, and I like this cleverness with it, where you got this tab that you pull off and the filter comes out. I think it's quite clever, but yeah, I just wanted to point that out before I close this video. Quite nice packaging, filter is good. Yep, pretty impressed with it. But yeah, that's it guys. Thanks for watching and take care.